Bestsellers namin are sisig, roast beef, cordon bleu. Pero lately, meron kami mga na-release na new dishes since marami sa mga customers namin are repeat customers. We wanted them to try naman din new dishes.
Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, we are very happy to be with someone na nakasama natin way back before.
Yes.
So guys, nandito tayo sa Angeles City, but we are not featuring this beautiful staycation. We are actually with Potluck Cravings. So isa po sa mga sumuporta din sa atin nung tayo po ay naka-lockdown sa bahay.
Yes, at for sure, marami din silang tinulungan at marahil natikman nyo na rin yung kanilang masarap na luto. So they are in food service, they are in catering. That's why we are here in this beautiful villa to showcase kung gaano sila kasarap magluto, ang kanilang presentation, how neat it is, and their history.
So guys, samahan niyo po kami sa video na to. Let's go!
Let's go!
Nag-start kami pre-pandemic, so we're about 5 years na in the business. We started with trays, tapos eventually moved to bento boxes or crew meals, tapos catering, and this time na yung most namin requested na package, yung buffet setup package. Prior to pandemic, we were serving yung company lang yung company exclusively. Nag-pandemic, ang available lang nun, tayo din, nag-order lang tayo through online. Tapos we thought of na, why not offer it online? At the same yung mother ko, who runs operations mainly sa kitchen, mahilig talaga siya magluto. Ako, I have a little business background. Kami din with family, little businesses. So this started out parang passion project. Turns out, eventually, nag-grow siya into like this. If you check our page, hindi sobrang taas yung following namin. Pero hindi kami nawawalan ng customers because we thrive on loyalty, on repeat customers, which eventually, even online, siguro even if we don't see people personally, nararamdaman siguro nila yon even with online, na nagiging friends namin sila. Nagkukwento na sila eventually na itong event namin is for this. Na natikman nung pinsan ko to, ni-refer ko sa inyo. Tapos yun, we thrive on referrals, on yung repeat customers talaga. So kahit nasa around 3,000 pa lang kami ngayon na following, ganon, hindi kami nawawalan every week with God's grace. First and foremost, feeling ko talaga yung luto ni mama ko, which started even when we were younger. We would receive na masarap talaga siya magluto. Even when the times before na you're not well off, siya talaga, she takes time and effort na to prepare yung mga fiesta, ganon, o kaya yung mga milestones sa buhay namin. Secondly, I think ang differentiating factor namin with business, yung pag meron kaming mga kausap or mga na customers, we see them as parang kakilala mo, relative mo. Yung mother ko, she would always say na, lalo na nag-uumpisa kami, magkasya karelay na, magkasya kaya karelay na. Itang bala mo, kamag-anak no ring pagluto na. Kami ng husband ko, pag meron silang hinihingi na hanggat kaya namin ma-consider, i-consider namin. So yung parang ganun, yung parang you treat them na hindi iba. I think yung customers will feel, even if you don't say it directly, if yun nga, kung may malasakit ka talaga sa kanila, and not just bonus na lang talaga yung if you earn. Message us through Facebook page at Potluck Cravings. Tapos from there, pwede na doon mag-send ng inquiries. Tapos doon na namin binubook yung mga orders. Yun. Tapos meron sila other questions. Ayun. Sometimes they go to our house, yung mga nag-food taste, kasi home-based lang kami. So, or if they want to meet us, ganun, or if they want to discuss further.
Yan din na?
Yeah.
Balita mo ka ng semi-phone na.
Yung iba, dinadala nila sa ibang bansa. Oo, yung mga like, cordon bleu embutido, yung pwedeng pwedeng days. Meron kaming customer, sinendan pa niya ako din, umabot yung food namin sa Ireland. So, nagbakasyon siya doon, may relative siya doon, pinadala pa niya akong picture. Yun, nakakatawa kasi parang nag-update sila kung saan nakakarating yung food. business information. We're located, home base kami, we're located at Dela Norte, San Fernando, Pampanga. And you can reach us, Potluck Cravings. Tapos, contact number, 0917-838-2819. Kami, ng husband ko, we're always on the lookout. Yung, even kahit nagluluto, meron kaming food business, we're always on the lookout for restaurant na yung sulit, lalo na pinaghihirapan natin yung pera. So, that's what we offer. Value for the money.
Grabe, what a great day. Ang ganda ng kwentuhan natin. We had a great time over a great food. So, yun sasabihin ko. No? So, yes, we'd like to thank Potluck Cravings for, again, inviting us. And also, Empresa Villa for hosting our event naman. So, dito sa kanilang napakagandang villa naman.
Napakaganda ng villa ni Empresa Villa. Sumabay siya sa sarap ng food natin.
Yes. So, ako personally, I'm happy to know na from the time na na-feature natin sila sa bahay, naalala ko yung sinabi ni owner sa atin. Sabi niya, yung comment pa nila sa atin is siguro malwa na yung magluto Kenny. So, you will definitely parang feel that sa mga pagkain kasi it's cooked with care, with love. No, ganun, no? Sarap.
Kasi alam mong very generous lahat. And even na-surprise nga kami sa prices. Yung ganun kadami, ganun lang ang presyo niya.
Yes.
So,
gusto namin sabihin, but it's for you to find out. Please message them if you're interested to know. Grabe, napakamura, napakasulit po ng kanilang mga packages. So, ayun guys, speaking of, check out the fan page we're gonna be including in this post. So, ayun guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next one.
thank you. Bye.
Bye guys.
Peace out.